Hey guys, this is one of those weeknight super simple recipes. It is for a Southwest chicken salad. I love it because it's low on calories, but yet it has high protein and lots of good flavors. It comes together super quick, and it's something that I can take for leftovers the next day, and I think you're really gonna like it. Welcome back to Nancy's Homestyle Kitchen, where I share how to cook real food with simple ingredients and no pressure to be perfect. So before we get started, let me introduce you to all the ingredients. Here are all the ingredients that you need to make the Southwest chicken salad. You need some cooked chicken breasts, cilantro, corn, black beans, red bell pepper, and scallions. For the dressing, we're going to use salt, pepper, olive oil, and honey, along with some Greek yogurt, cumin, Mexican oregano, and fresh lime and lemon juice. Now this one starts with boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now you could use like a pre-made chicken breast that you could get frozen. There's some fresh options at Costco. I just marinated some chicken breasts last night, and I'll go ahead and show you a video of how I made that marinade. Just let it sit in the refrigerator and had my husband grill them up this morning. So in the bowl, we're gonna add 2 cups of the chicken. I have half of a can of black beans that I drained and rinsed. This is 1/2 of a red bell pepper that is seeded and diced. I have 1/2 cup of corn. Now you could use canned corn or frozen corn. This is actually a can of the Southwest style corn. I thought it looked good, and it has some, peppers and stuff in it. This is 1/4 cup of diced green onion, and I have 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro. And just look how colorful and pretty this is. And it smells so fresh. Okay, so to make the dressing, we're gonna start with 1 tablespoon of honey, and to that, I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm looking at my recipe because since I'm doing it in half, I have to do math. And then it normally calls for 3 tablespoons of lime juice, but I have 1.5 tablespoons. And now if you've been around here, you know I'm not a huge fan of Greek yogurt, but I want to stay pretty true to this recipe, so I'm going to go ahead and add it. This is 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. And I think that little bit won't really matter as far as my taste goes for Greek yogurt. Okay, I need 1 teaspoon of cumin. And then it calls for 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. So I'm gonna just do 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna use Mexican oregano, and I get these in the little plastic packs in the Mexican food section at my local grocery store. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of bigger than regular like Italian oregano. So what I want to do is really like break it up so it's finer. Then all we need to add is some salt and pepper, and it says 1 teaspoon, so I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt and then just some pepper to taste. I always hit that button. It's in the wrong spot. Okay, so now we just need to give this a whisk to make this sweet and savory dressing. It's going to take a second. The honey needs to get incorporated into it, so it takes a minute to get it whisked up. Okay, let's give this a quick try. Make sure everything's good. I don't notice the Greek yogurt at all, which I'm thankful for, but it does give it this nice little creamy base, and you definitely get the lime and the lemon juice in there, a little sweetness from the honey, and as this sits, the flavors are really going to come through with the other spices like the cumin and the oregano. So all we need to do is pour this over our chicken and vegetables. So this recipe I'm following is from the skinnyishdish.com. It's her Southwest chicken salad. On the bottom of it, where it has the nutrition information, it says for 1 cup of the salad, it's 218 calories and 28 grams of protein. And you can eat it like this, or you could put this in a wrap. You can also put it over a salad, a bed of greens, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna add a couple more things that I like. So first thing we need to do is let this sit for 20 minutes, and then we come back, I'll show you how I plate it up and how I like to eat this dish. No, your TV's not broken. Forgot to put my microphone back on after taking some profile pics. But anyway, I wanna show you the finished salad. It is just so good with all the fresh lemon juice and lime juice, the spices and the little bit of honey to make it sweet. It's absolutely perfect. I like it on a bed of romaine with some avocado, queso fresco, candied jalapenos, and some tortilla strips. Either way, this is a total winner dish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.